There are four types of money, and most people don't know what they are. You want to grab a pen and paper. This wealth principle is going to change the way you think about money. Wealth principle number three is understand the four types of money. Those four types are as follows: income, profit, flow, and equity. And now to talk about this, I want to talk about it properly. My name is Gualter Murillo, the real estate mentor. My job and my mission is to build 100 millionaires this year. I'm looking to put a million millionaires on the planet by the time I move on to something else. There's currently 17 million on the planet right now. I just want to add one more million. If you know you're interested in becoming one of our millionaires, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below saying, I am in. If you're in, excellent. Welcome to the game. Now, most people are focused on wealth, on this wealth principle. They focus on the income. When they see the four types of money, they don't know about the other three. They're simply focused on income. You go to a job, you make money. You go to a job, you make money. You sell something, you make money. You provide service, you make money. That's income. That's a great place to start, but it's not the end. If you're going to become wealthy, if you're going to become a millionaire, you have to understand all four types of money. And that fourth that really makes things powerful, I'll save to the end, but it's the key to all investors and business owners' true worth. It's what makes the richest people on the planet so filthy freaking rich. And if you know you want to be rich, type in the chat, type in the comments, I want to be rich. I'm ready to become a millionaire. Share it with your friends. Share this video all over the place, because you're going to find really quickly some people will support you, some people will not. Four types of money. The second one is profit. Profit comes not from your own work, but from profit from a business. So your business, when you're self-employed or you work for somebody else, you're just employed, you're earning income. You're doing the work, you're making that money. That's income. Profit is when you have other people or systems or a different business structure in place that brings the money to you without you doing anything. I'm known for saying the point is not to work, it's to generate income. And that's a principle that I believe, and that's a philosophy I live by. When you earn profit, it's because you're not working. You've created something that throws money off to you, and you can collect that money every week, every day, every month, every quarter, every year. Some forms of profit are also known as dividends. Those are profits from a business that are passed off to investors in the business. The third type of money is flow. This is actually where most people live, even though they don't know it. They're all focused on income. You're focused on income, but in reality, what you have in your business and in your life is flow. See, flow is the money that comes in the account and then goes back out of the account, goes in and goes out, goes in and goes out. Your account goes up, it goes down, goes up, it goes down. That's the flow. That's the income that comes in from income and then goes out through expenses. Every business has it. Every person has it. When you think about the number you need to live to get by, that's your flow number. That's the number that goes in and out of the account at all times. So income, increasing income is key to living better. And then flow is the in between. That as you increase your income, you may notice your flow goes up too. That range will go up with the amount of income, unless you do something about it, unless you increase income and you refuse to bring flow up any higher. That's your expenses, the money that has to go out every month. I told you, I promised I'd bring you in the mysterious fourth that makes most millionaires millionaires, most makes the wealthy wealthy, and that's equity. Equity, as described by most investors, is the difference between your net worth, the asset value of a company, of real estate, of an investment, and what you owe on the asset, your debt, your liabilities, a mortgage or loans. Equity is where most millionaires hold their wealth. Equity is where most millionaires are gaining their net worth. So when you look at all four of these in a system, you're looking at income, you want to increase it. Flow, it has to be there, but you want to keep it low and under control and keep it tight. Profit, coming off from a business, instead of you working for that income, you've got profit coming through. And now profit is a function, it allows for equity. The more a business earns, the higher the value of the business, the higher the value of the equity. the more you could sell the business for, or take it public and sell shares of the business, or hold it, do a refinance on the business, take a loan out against. So you want to make sure that you're focused on income, flow, profit, and then equity. If you're not focused on equity, I promise you will not have any. That is where most people build their wealth, not through flow, not through income, but through profit and equity in a business, equity in a company. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe. I plan on doing more of these. There are 52 wealth principles, and we've only just gone through the first 3. Cheers to your success when you have a choice. Always invest with the best.